You know, we in technology who have played in this space for many, many years understand that there are waves in the way technology comes to fruition. And right now we're witnessing a new inflection point with the cloud, but the cloud really isn't new. It's something we've talked about before. It's the internet, it's the managed service, it's things that we've done before, packaged slightly differently. So what's that mean for solution providers? What's it mean for professional services companies? What's it mean for the enterprise? It means we have to adapt. That's something we're very comfortable doing. I can't forecast what that model is going to be like 3, 4, 5 years down the road. The only thing I am confident about saying is that there is a constant change in the nature of IT, and this is just one of those change points that we have to deal with. How we're going to deal with it, I think, is something that's still going to be played out in the next 3 to 5 years.
That's a great question, and I'm sure that's top of mind for most of us in the channel today. The answer to that from my perspective is no. Most of us build infrastructure already. That's really what we do for the most part in the channel, and the cloud obviously is an opportunity to continue to do that, perhaps with a different approach, maybe some different labels around it. But I think the key for the solution provider channel with respect to cloud offerings is to continue to build that infrastructure in a proper manner, ITIL-based or procedural approaches that are architected properly from the ground up. Those that are successful today do that anyway, so we'll continue to do that for the cloud with perhaps a different angle. But I think the real opportunity is around that in and of itself, the value-added services that we can provide on top of the basic infrastructure of the cloud. Things like consulting services, things like WAN optimization, things like penetration testing external and vulnerability internal testing. The ability to exit the cloud, which is something that I don't see out there right now. Offerings that provide more flexibility for clients, and things that we can leverage our traditional skill sets, but maybe move in and add some additional recurring revenue type opportunities that we may or may not be doing today.